Hi everyone, this is Vilasni and I'm here with you with yet another video on Zoho Flow, which covers features that are accessible through a custom integration with Zoho Books and Zoho Projects. It's common that any business would want their accounting and sales apps to integrate well. Likewise, a project management app integrating with an accounting app is important for managing project related finance information. Zoho Projects and Zoho Books help you achieve this in no time through their native integration. So you might be wondering that since everything is there by default, what could I possibly show you that's new? Well, every business will have custom needs that they'll also want the app to manage. That's where Zoho Flow comes into play to make things easier. Whether you're running a marketing agency or a research business, I'm sure you're one of those people who'll be looking to automate project creation upon the acceptance of an estimate. Zoho Flow helps you to achieve this in a few simple steps for this automation to work. Let's get into the app to see this in action. This is the interface of Zoho Flow where I have created the desired flow having Zoho Books as the base to start with. I have used Estimate Updated as the trigger, choosing the right books organization. Since we want the flow to trigger only when the estimate is accepted, I have set the trigger with the condition as status equals accepted. Once you click done, you'll be taken into the flow builder. You get the option to drag and drop the actions from the app section in the top left corner. Next step is to search for Fetch Estimate in Zoho Books. We have chosen the same books organization with the estimate ID from the trigger you can see here. Since the date formats are different in these apps, we need to add a custom function from the logic section beside apps in the top left corner. Once done, you can drag and drop it after Fetch Estimate. I have added the date string to be the system variable's current date. But if you want, you can even add the date from books or any other app. Let's say you have the date field in the estimate module of Zoho Books, which needs to be the start date of the project. You can just pick the respective date field from Fetch Estimate added to the date string. The input format is nothing but the date format in the app you're picking the date string. The output format is nothing but the app where you want the date to be updated. If you are syncing the date field between apps where the date format is the same in both, you will not even need this custom function. Lastly, you can create an action as Create Project in Zoho Projects from the app section. You can give your custom connection name, the portal which is your Zoho Projects portal name, and the project name which I have given as the estimate number chosen from Fetch Estimate. The start date is picked from the date format in custom function. I know you're keen to test this out. Let's get into Zoho Books to create an estimate. Once your negotiations are over and the customer is willing to proceed further, your customer can accept the estimate through a public link or from the client portal. I have manually changed the estimate status to accepted to show you how this works. Once it is done, you can see that the project is created immediately in Zoho Projects. Voila! As you can see, it's pretty simple to automate integration between apps through Zoho Flow. Thanks for watching my video. If you wish to watch more like this, please check out our playlist. If you have questions related to this video or any other needs that you'd like to share, please drop us a request to zoho.to/zconcierge. See you soon in my next video.